Hi everyone, I'm Esther. Now I'm going to teach you all how to create a new supplier profile in SQL accounting. To create a new supplier profile in SQL accounting, start by clicking the New button. Enter the supplier details, such as company name, Control A, C, supplier code, registration no, supplier category, and industries code. Under the General section, fill in the required fields, including branch name, address, country, postcode, attention, phone, email, area, agent, currency, credit terms, statement, aging on, price tag, and e-invoice submission section. You may also add important notes such as the account opening date, registration status, or any other relevant information. Under the tax information section, fill in the required details, such as GST number, tax number, ID type, TIN number, tourism tax number, exemption number, and any other applicable information. Lastly, double-check the bank account details to ensure all the information entered is accurate before saving. Once everything is complete, click Save to store the new supplier profile.